Before most of the Egyptian capital's residents wake up, Walid Ramadan had breakfast, got dressed, and is ready to go to work. He waits for a bus to take him from his house in the eastern outskirts of Cairo to go further into the desert where an Egyptian dream is building up, the new administrative capital. Walid is a technical engineer at China State Construction Engineering Corporation. The company is leading the biggest construction project in Egypt's future capital, the Central Business District.
When I
learned that CSCEC signed a contract with Egypt for this project, I focused my efforts to approach them for a job opportunity. Thank God, they called me for an interview. I started work from the very beginning, since the digging began.
CSCEC gave the 33-year-old engineer the experience of a lifetime. The CBD is going to be the landmark of the new Egyptian capital. The project includes 20 high-rises built over more than 500,000 square meters of land area and 1.9 million square meters of construction. Egypt has never seen anything of that magnitude. The iconic tower is 385.8 meters high. It is made up of 78 floors that will include business offices, residential apartments, a hotel and government offices. After just 3.5 years, the construction of the tower and all other buildings are now complete. What remains is just the finishing. It's a remarkable progress given the impact the COVID-19 pandemic had on businesses.
Since the project started in 2018, CBD has been in normal progress. Even in the most tense times at the beginning of 2020 during the COVID-19 pandemic, the progress rate was reduced, but the construction never stopped. The global supply chain issues had a great impact on the project.
We've learned a lot in this project. It's the first time Egypt enters the field of skyscrapers. We started with the iconic tower. We used technology new to us in Egypt, like the climbing formwork. Luffing tower cranes were used for the first time in Egypt, and many more techniques and materials. It's the first time I see such technology, especially in Egypt. This project transferred a huge amount of Chinese expertise in construction field. We've benefited a lot.
More than 300 Egyptian companies have joined CSCEC in this project, creating some 30,000 jobs. In 2016, Egypt and China celebrated 60 years over their diplomatic ties, which President Xi Jinping and President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi upgraded to comprehensive strategic partnership. During the celebrations, the two countries signed the agreement to award the CBD project to CSCEC to become an outstanding landmark that will always be a reminder of the strength of ties between Egypt and China.